Transform your front yard into a masterpiece with these stone landscaping ideas. Whether you're starting fresh or upgrading your space, these ideas will elevate your home's curb appeal. Let's get started. Start with stone pathways, functional and beautiful. Choose natural stones like flagstone or cobblestones for a rustic look. Lay the stones evenly, and fill the gaps with gravel or creeping plants for added charm. Retaining walls add structure and dimension to sloped yards, while stone borders frame flower beds and pathways beautifully. Use natural stone for a cohesive, timeless appearance. Create a low-maintenance rock garden with drought-tolerant plants like succulents and ornamental grasses. Add boulder accents for a bold and striking focal point. Stone steps are perfect for sloped yards and create a natural flow. Pair them with a flagstone patio for an inviting outdoor space. Finish with weather-resistant furniture to complete the look. Add stone planters for pops of color and texture. A stone fountain makes a serene centerpiece, adding movement and soothing sounds to your front yard. Gravel beds and stone mulch are perfect for xeriscaping, reducing water usage while keeping your yard stylish. Try creating a dry creek bed for natural drainage and added character. For a cozy gathering spot, build a stone fire pit surrounded by benches. It's perfect for evening relaxation or entertaining guests. Upgrade your driveway with cobblestones for a polished entrance. Complete the look with a stone arbor or gateway draped in greenery for an enchanting vibe. With these stone landscaping ideas, your front yard will be the talk of the neighborhood. So roll up your sleeves and start creating your dream outdoor space today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.